Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you a quick video tour of our Volvo V40. So this is our 64 plate Volvo V40. It's the D2 1.6 diesel with a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's covered just under 106,000 miles from new. It's got good service history. It's recently had a service, cambelt, clutch and flywheel and 4 new injectors. Overall, the car's in good condition for the age and mileage. A couple of marks on the bodywork here and there, but nothing I wouldn't expect for a 9-year-old car that has covered over 100,000 miles. Inside, it is the SE Nav spec. So you've got steering wheel controls, cruise control, satellite navigation, aux input, Bluetooth connectivity, dual zone climate control. It's all in really nice condition in here. Power fold mirrors as well, automatic wipers, good bit of legroom in the back, especially for a smaller hatchback. And you've also got a nice practical boot there too. Nice little hatchback this, very, very economical on fuel, with it being the little 1.6 diesel engine. Nicely spec'd with it being the SE Nav. And it's definitely a very, very nice colour. It's a gorgeous deep maroon red. Really nice colour on this car. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.